What up, baseheads? Freaking raining out today, freaking all day long. So we're gonna do what we do. You guys know I smoked one of the subs, but it's still playing. I'm fixing to redo this, trying to get a truck. That way I ain't gotta drive this rig no more. Once I do, we're gonna rebuild it. It's gonna be so badass. So y'all just stay tuned. Anyway, let's check out. Excuse me. Let's check out this little song on a rainy day underneath the carport, of course. You ain't got the sun to see every little flex move or whatever, but we're gonna see what we can do. So check this out. It's called "We Gone, 'Cause We Gone." Everything's still looking good back here. This is jamming. You guys are fixing to hear the demo, but that old base 15K, brother, hooked up to that C-Max. You're doing the damn thing. Freaking raining out here though. That's why we're doing this little quick demo. Stay tuned to Bass Junkie 2020.
I set it up. Everything's sailing.
Damn, we got some smoke coming out. I definitely got to recon them now. Look at that. It's flowing. we had a jamming, dude. We're at 14.6. It's usually at 15. We ain't sandbagging today. Smoke show demos. Bass Junkie 2020.
I'm just a young nigga hustling.
Hit that like button, subscribe. We got some badass shit coming up, so stay tuned to Bass Junkie 2020 Twin. Let